Welcome back to the second video. This time, we will read word problems together and solve them. Let's get started. The first thing we should do is read the word problem and make sure we understand the keywords and know which math to use. When a grizzly bear hibernates, its heart rate drops to 10 beats per minute, which is 20% of its normal value. Grizzly bear is a kind of bear. They are very big, brown, and dangerous. Hibernate is a verb. What do you think it means? Hibernate is when an animal sleeps all winter. Rate. Remember, rate means compare two units that aren't the same. We see it here, beats per minute. Drop. Drop means to go down. So, altogether, it means when a grizzly bear sleeps in winter, its heart rate goes down 10 beats per minute, which equals 20% of its non-sleeping heart rate. Let's check our question. What is a grizzly bear's normal heart rate when not hibernating? That sounds easy enough. We can do this without Chinese. Do you want to try it by yourself? Pause the video and give it a try. Are you finished? Okay, let's do it together. There are many ways to find the answer. I will show you one. Remember that percent means 100. And 20% means we don't have 80. Let's draw what we know. %20 means 10 beats per minute. We can write 20% 4 more times, because 20 times 5 equals 100. That means we can write 10 beats per minute 4 more times. Let's add the beats per minute together to find the normal heart rate. The answer is 50 beats per minute. Easy, right? Good job. Let's do another one. Remember the first thing we should do? That's right. Make sure we read and understand the word problem. Amira has 3/4, a bag of cat food. Her cats eat 1/10 of a bag per week. I think you must know all these words. You can probably see which math we need to use, right? Fractions. But are we adding, subtracting, dividing, or multiplying? Let's check the question to see. How many weeks until the food is finished? Okay. The word finished means all eaten. When is the food gone and Amira needs to buy more? So, do you want to try it by yourself? Pause the video and give it a try. Are you finished? Okay, let's do it together. There are many ways to find the answer. I will show you one. We can think about the problem like this. The number of weeks equals all the food, all the cat food, over or divided into the amount eaten per week. This means when we want to put in our numbers, we don't know how many weeks, but we know how much food we have, 3/4 or 3/4, over how much is eaten per week, and that is 1/10 of a bag. But dividing two fractions is weird, so you can invert the fraction you are dividing by. So now we have 3/4, 3/4 times 10/1. And now it's easy. We can multiply the numerators, remember that word? And multiply the denominators to find our answer. Our answer is 30/4. And we can reduce that to 15/2. Now, 15/2. The question wants to know how many weeks. Okay, so we need to make a mixed fraction to give our answer. Our mixed fraction is 7.5. 7.5 weeks until the food is finished. Was that your answer? I think so. Good job. Okay, that's it. We did 2 word problems. Now let's review what we did. Today we did a word problem that included ratios, rates, and percentages. We learned the word hibernate. So, does a Formosan black bear hibernate? The answer is no. It does not sleep in the winter time. It will come down from the mountains to find food. We also did a word problem that included fractions with multiplication and division. That one was tricky, but you did great. See you in a 3rd video, and we can do properties of numbers with distribution. See you then.